Alright, hey everyone, this is Aaron Forster with Aaron's Eccentric Garage, and I got my car!
It's my car now.
So, I'm here at Cars, Classic Automotive Relocation Services. So I'll turn around the logo, or I'm sorry, turn around my screen so you guys can see. Turn around. There it is, okay. So we are currently at Cars, here in like the Torrance area. And yeah, picking up my TVR. So I'm going to actually turn around and you guys can do a walk around. So right now, Drew and Bryce are having fun in it, just poking around all the weirdness that is the TVR. So these doors are like 5 feet wide. They are so massive. But yeah, it made it here. So yay. Now, Drew, you're 6'4".
Yeah.
So. So.
I have another 2 years I can do this before I need hip replacements.
It's only going to be 1 year if you do enough of this car.
So, I'm going to show you the inside. So I got the testicle cooler down here. This is vital.
Trevor's really considering that. That's cool.
But the gauge cluster, speakers, just recording myself with Bryce. But yeah, so all the buttons are like unmarked, so I have no idea what they do. These are pretty much I believe these are windows. And then, oh, paperwork.
Yeah, it's from Cars UK. It was just a basic.
Oh.
I don't know. Anything you may need to know.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, all right, so you can kind of see no door handles. There is an emergency one down there if you have to get out, but vents are up here. I'm gonna do a full walk around another time, but yeah, so I'm in my TVR Cerbera. Now, when we got here, it was the cars had all pulled up and ready to go. We're going to connect the battery. Now, these have a safety feature. When the battery is reconnected after being disconnected, the system basically rolled up all the windows and the keys were inside. And there's only one set of keys. So the interesting thing about it is there is a secret way to get into these. Thankfully, I'm not going to share it to you guys, but there is a way to get in. But so going to give you an idea of. All right, I got plenty of headspace over here. Even if I scoot up, what you guys don't see, the perspective is this is like, I kid you not, so narrow view. It is almost like a chop top car. So now the real fun begins. I'm gonna have to get some gas. I have to find some 93 octane. I've been told you can do 91. It's okay. But yeah, so I got my TVR Cerbera. I'll do a full walk around and see a video later.